Okay, let's solve the question. A physician ordered the nurse to start an IV dopamine drip at 5 micrograms per kg per minute for the patient with low blood pressure, and the weight of the patient is about 60 kgs. The pharmacist dispensed a bag of dopamine that reads 250 mg for 500 ml. So what will you set the IV pump drip rate in ml per hour? So this is the question. So try to solve this problem. So here what they have given, that the dopamine, the order given by the physician that you have to administer a dopamine at an IV drip of dopamine of about 5 micrograms per kg per minute, and here the weight of the patient is 60 kgs, and the pharmacist dispensed a bag of dopamine that reads about 250 mg per 500 ml. So here the pharmacist has dispensed the already diluted form of dopamine in 500 ml. Okay, so here what will you set the IV pump drip rate in ml per hour? So we have to know the flow rate of this dopamine IV infusion. Okay, so here 5 micrograms per kg per minute. So this is the dose ordered by the physician. Here the weight of the patient is 60 kgs. So for 60 kgs, so how much amount of dopamine is needed per minute? So 60 into 5 equal to 300 micrograms per minute. So if you convert this into an hour, so 300 micrograms into 60 minutes. So thereby you can get 18,000 micrograms, and if you convert these micrograms into mg, you can get 18 mg per hour dose. Okay, so this is the dose of dopamine to be administered for an hour. And here what they have given, the pharmacist dispensed the dopamine in a dilution form. Okay, 250 mg per 500 ml. So the nurse has received the dopamine in the diluted form of 250 mg of dopamine in 500 ml solution. So here the available form is 250 mg per 500 ml. So here the dose needed to administer for an hour is 18 mg. Okay, we have to do the calculation of for 250 mg of dopamine is present in 500 ml of the solution. So here you have to know the amount of fluid that is containing the 18 mg. Okay, so 18 into 500 divided by 250, then you will get the amount of fluid that is containing a total of 18 mg of dopamine. Okay, so that is the ml that you have to administer through by IV infusion for an hour. So here, so whatever the amount of fluid that you get after the calculation, so that is the total amount of fluid to be administered through by IV infusion route for an hour. So like this you have to solve the problems, and it is very important concept that has asked many times in NAPLEX examinations. Okay, so try to solve the problem and try to understand the concept. Okay, thank you.